With ChatGPT and other AI increasing in popularity, there has been a lot of talk about generating better prompts. There are all sorts of so-called prompt generators out there, but how do you know which one is giving you the best prompt for what you're trying to achieve? Wouldn't you just rather go straight to the source and find out what the best prompt is? That is what we're going to show you today. Assuming you already know how to access ChatGPT, we'll jump straight into it so that you can start generating the most amazing prompts as soon as possible. We're going to leave the prompt we're using to generate better prompts down in the comments so that you can just copy and paste it into your ChatGPT. For now though, follow along to see what it can do. Paste in the prompt. As you can see, we are telling ChatGPT that we want it to be our prompt creator. Your goal is to help me craft the best possible prompt for my needs. The prompt will be used by you, ChatGPT. You will follow the following process. 1. Your first response will be to ask me what the prompt should be about. I will provide my answer, but we will need to improve it through continual iterations by going through the next steps. 2. Based on my input, you will generate 3 sections. A. Revised prompt. Provide your rewritten prompt. It should be clear, concise, and easily understood by you. B. Suggestions. Provide suggestions on what details to include in the prompt to improve it. C. Questions. Ask any relevant questions pertaining to what additional information is needed from me to improve the prompt. 3. We will continue this iterative process together with me providing additional information to you, and you updating the prompt in the revised prompts section until it's complete. Now ChatGPT asks us what the prompt should be about. We tell it a little about what the prompt will be about, and it give a revised prompt, followed by suggestions on how to further improve the prompt. After that, it asks questions to spark ideas on what we should add to our prompt to make it more complete and concise. So, we can then copy and paste the revised prompt and add more to it based on what we were suggested, and we will send that to ChatGPT. We'll repeat the previous process again. Copying and pasting the revised prompt that it generates and adding to it based on the suggestions and questions given by ChatGPT. Once you have added enough information to the prompt and satisfied ChatGPT's suggestions, it will tell you that your revisions look good and it will generate a finalized prompt for you to use to accomplish your task. In our case, again, we've asked it to help us write a Python program that will generate exercises for us to do 3 days out of the week. Now, we just paste the prompt into a new ChatGPT conversation and it will guide us through creating our program. I hope you learned something today, and if so, please hit the like and subscribe button so that you will be notified about our future videos.